We're here at the Caravan Camping and Motorhome Show in February at the NEC, and we are on a wellie boot stand. This is LBC. But why would a wellie boot company come to a motorhome caravan and camping show? Well, these boots are proving incredibly popular with the audience coming to the show. I've got a pair and I can say they are amazing. My other half's got a pair. She bought them for putting the recycling out. She goes shopping in them. Our grandson has a pair. He's in them all day, every day. The first thing you notice is the colours. They are really bright, really amazing. But then the weight, you pick one up and go, really? They weigh almost nothing. We actually sell them in our shop at thatleisureshop.com, so you can view them there. We're also taking them to all the shows this year, the Warner shows, so you can come and see a pair at a future show. But I'm here with Kevin on the stand. There he is on the floor, currently fitting a customer. He's got a pair of yellow boots on himself. And as I say, they are proving incredibly popular. So you've got one boot on. How does it feel?
It feels great. I was worried about the depth of the sole, but that's actually quite nice and deep.
Yeah.
So it doesn't feel as if you're going to stand on a stone and fall over.
So what size are you normally?
I'm normally a 4, and these are 4s, but
Yeah.
I'm thinking I might have to go up by a 5.
It is recommended you upsize in the ankle boot.
Right, okay. They don't feel as if they're going to rub my heels either. And I was just saying to the other gentleman, I have Eagle Wellington boots, and they're so heavy
Yes.
that by the time I've walked the dogs for an hour, I'm
Tired.
worn out.
Yeah.
So
These are incredibly light. Kevin, we made it at last. We had to disappear because you got so busy.
Yeah.
But people are going mad for the boots. They're great.
They love it. They love it. Absolutely love them. Yeah.
So show
Matt,
us
can I just first say
Yeah.
thanks so much for coming on. Real honour. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm now on Motorhome Matt.
You are. It's real.
Yeah, it's real. This is real. Yeah.
It's an honour for us.
Thank
Now,
you. Thank
tell
you.
us, show us a bit about the boots. Why are they so good?
Okay, so the whole brand is ultralight. So we're the lightest wellie on the market. Okay, that's our piece. So light, durable, never split, never crack. It's one unit, ultralight, and also the socks come out machine washable. You can wear them with or without the sock, doesn't matter. And it's just the colour, the variation, the whole thing. It's amazing.
You're in your yellow boots. You look like a fisherman.
Thank you. Oh, thanks, sir. I didn't know what colour to take this morning. I thought, how shall I look? So
You should have worn a different one on each foot.
well, thanks, Matt. Thank you. Yeah. So the sock comes out. It's machine washable. You can buy replacement socks.
Yeah.
You can put it through the washing machine, and I mean, you can chuck the whole thing in the washing machine if you want. But it's just about the whole durability of it, the weight of it. Everybody just picks it up, says the same thing. Oh my God, that is amazing. I love it. And then you just say, what colour, madam?
Look at these. These are really cute. My grandson, Toby, has a pair of these in bright yellow. He's in them all day, every day. He loves them. It's the only footwear he'll fit on himself. Put your shoes on for nursery. No, wellies. But you do a tall boot as well. A more traditional Wellington style boot,
so we do a ladies half length, we do a men's half length, we do a full length, and all of the products again, you know, they just never split. It's just one single unit, and again the sock comes out, and you can buy replacement socks. From the ankle boots, we recommend you just upsize, because what we've done is we've made a more luxurious, thicker sock. So unfortunately, it has created some problems where you do need to upsize. So if you're a size 3, you go to a size 4.
And won't that make the boot loose, though, if you take the sock out and wear it?
So when you take the sock out, you can obviously wear that, Matt. Last year it was very warm, so you can, of course you can. But then we also offer insoles, or you can put normal insoles in that you wear your trainers. Put them into the boot and wear them around for the bit of the summer weather.
Tell us about the marathon. You got the photo down here.
Yeah, so this is not myself. This is Peter Butler-Jones. So he contacted us and said, look, I'm running the marathon. You advertise ultralight wellies. Can you send me a pair? Sent him a pair. 2 hours, 57 minutes. He done it 7 minutes slower than his normal time, and no blisters. And then last month, Charlie had a request from a lady who's going to be running the London Marathon this year to break the women's world record.
Amazing.
So we sent her a pair of wellies.
That's brilliant. And it's a family business, this, isn't it? You live locally to us, literally down the road from our shop, where we sell them at thatleisureshop.com. Quick plug. But it's you and your boy.
Yeah, me and Charlie. Yeah. So we started the business. It came into the UK 2018, and then we started Leon Boots UK in 2019. And it's been brilliant. You know, we've got an award-winning construction wellie, we've got an award-winning dairy wellie, you know, for the farming, agricultural market, for the construction industry. So it's all about the whole material. It's just this. It will just never split or crack, and it's all down to the weight and comfort.
And you are a British business. I mean, the product is made in Europe, isn't it?
Yeah,
but it is a UK business. The product made in Poland.
Yeah. UK distribution. We're in the beautiful Blue Flag Beach area of Western Supermare.
Yeah.
And it's all warehoused and distributed from there all over the country. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, you can buy them at the shows. You're going to lots of shows this year. We're taking it to all the outdoor shows with That Leisure Shop. You can find them on there as well. They're in the shop and on our website at thatleisureshop.com.
Yeah, we're supporting you. We're supporting you with all your shows for the Warner events. Absolutely, yeah, brilliant.
Fantastic, Kev. Great to see you, mate.
Thanks ever so much.
It's been. I can't see you around. I've got a microphone in mine.
Thanks ever so much.
Have a great show. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
See you back at home for a beer sometime.
Perfect, lovely. Look forward to that, Matt.
In our wellies, obviously.
Yes, in our wellies. Yes.
So we're just in the atrium, and this lovely lady is leaving with a pair of LBC boots. What's your name?
Julie.
It's lovely to meet you. Thank you for letting me interrupt you. Why did you choose to buy a pair of LBC boots?
Well, they just caught my eye because I just love the design and the lovely sock and the colour and the way that you can just pull them on. They look easy and lightweight.
They're really light, aren't they? Yeah. And what colour did you go for?
I went for the red.
Good choice.
My husband had the green. Up his way.
He's hiding off camera.
Hiding, but yes, he bought the green because we walked away from the store and we both decided they were great. So we went back and got the green, and he was a really nice guy and nice to support.
Kevin's a lovely guy, yeah.
That business, yeah.
Well done.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your wellies.
Thank
Have a safe trip home. Thank you.